diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me. They won't.
Welcome to the Diamond Trade. I'm your host, Ms. Diamondz, and today we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing and intricate parts of the diamond world, the diamond pipeline. Now, if you've ever wondered how a rough diamond gets transformed into the dazzling gem that makes its way to your jewelry box or even your engagement ring, you're in for a treat today. We're talking about the manufacturing process, from cutting and polishing to the machines that make it all happen, the history behind the technology, and the companies and cities that drive this multi-billion-dollar industry. So, let's get started. Now, before we even talk about machines and technology, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the diamond pipeline? In short, the diamond pipeline refers to the series of steps that a diamond goes through, from when it's mined as rough stone to when it's set into a piece of jewelry ready to be sold. The pipeline can be broken down into several phases: extraction, sorting, cutting, polishing, and finally, distribution. But today, we're focusing on that crucial middle phase, the transformation of the rough stone into the shining gem we all know and love. The first step after the diamond is extracted from the earth is cutting. You might be surprised to learn that a diamond starts out as an imperfect rough stone, and it's the skilled cutting process that brings out its beauty. This cutting process is a blend of science, art, and precision, and it takes years of expertise to do it right. The rough diamond is examined for its shape, size, and internal characteristics. Things like clarity, inclusions, and natural flaws that might affect how it can be cut. Once the rough diamond has been analyzed, it's time to get to work. The first part of cutting is known as cleaving, where the diamond is split into smaller pieces along its natural grain. This is a delicate process because, unlike other gemstones, a diamond has a specific crystal structure that dictates how it should be cleaved. The cleaver uses a laser or a hammer and chisel to make precise cuts along the grain of the diamond, separating it into smaller, more manageable pieces. After cleaving, the diamond enters the next phase, cutting and polishing. In the past, diamond cutting was a labor-intensive, manual process. Skilled artisans used tools like grinding wheels, saws, and polishing wheels to shape the diamond. This required years of training and a steady hand to get the proportions just right. Modern-day diamond cutting, however, has advanced significantly thanks to technology. But let's hold that thought for a second. We'll get to the tech in just a bit. Let's talk about the technology behind modern-day diamond cutting and polishing. While humans are still involved in the process, machines have revolutionized how diamonds are cut today. Over the last few decades, laser technology has become a game changer. Lasers allow for precision that was once unimaginable. These machines can make intricate cuts and incisions with such accuracy that it minimizes the risk of mistakes, saving time and material. One of the most significant breakthroughs was the introduction of the laser sawing machine, which replaced manual methods for cutting rough diamonds. The laser saws are often paired with computer-aided design, or CAD, systems. These systems allow manufacturers to model the diamond digitally before they even begin cutting. This is huge because it allows for simulations to see how the diamond will respond to different cuts, helping to maximize the diamond's brilliance and minimizing waste. Additionally, robotic arms have been developed to handle certain tasks like polishing and grinding, ensuring consistency across thousands of diamonds. Now, let's go back in time for a moment. Back in the 19th century, the diamond cutting industry relied on hand tools like lapidary wheels, which were powered by a hand crank or later, steam engines. it wasn't until the 1920s that powered wheels became the norm, making it possible to cut diamonds faster and with greater precision. The late 20th century ushered in the computer age, and with that came the precision of laser cutting, making a huge leap in how diamonds are shaped and polished today. Alright, we've discussed how diamonds are cut and polished, but who are the players making all this happen? The diamond manufacturing process is a highly specialized business, with several large companies and players driving the industry forward. Here's a brief look at some of the key manufacturers in the global diamond industry. One of the biggest names in the diamond business is De Beers, a company that has been around since the late 19th century. De Beers controls a large portion of the rough diamond market and has significant influence over the diamond supply chain. They operate mines in places like Botswana, Canada, and South Africa, and also own a significant share of the diamond cutting and polishing operations. Another huge name is Alrosa, a Russian company that is one of the largest diamond producers in the world. They operate numerous diamond mines in Russia and are a dominant player in the rough diamond market. Alrosa is notable for its cutting and polishing operations, and they also have a huge presence in the global wholesale diamond trade. There are other notable companies as well, such as Rio Tinto and Anglo American, which also have large stakes in the diamond mining and manufacturing sectors. But the biggest changes have come from the newer players like LVMH, Louis Vuitton, Moet Hennessy, which acquired Tiffany & Co., bringing a luxury brand influence into the diamond world. When it comes to the cities where the magic happens, there are several important places to know. Let's start with Antwerp, Belgium, often referred to as the diamond capital of the world. For centuries, Antwerp has been the central hub for diamond cutting and trading, and even today, the city's diamond district remains a powerhouse of global diamond activity. Another key city is Mumbai, India, which has grown into one of the largest diamond manufacturing centers. Over 90% of the world's diamonds are cut and polished in India, and the country has developed a reputation for producing high-quality, affordable diamonds, particularly for the international market. In addition to these established cities, New York and Tel Aviv, Israel, also have significant diamond manufacturing industries. Tel Aviv, specifically, is home to Israel's Diamond Exchange, a modern hub for the buying, selling, and cutting of diamonds. So, to wrap it all up, understanding the diamond pipeline, from mining to manufacturing, is key for anyone entering the industry. Whether you're working in the cutting and polishing sector, in the technology side of things, or in one of the global powerhouse cities, the journey of a diamond is an intricate dance of precision, craftsmanship, and technology. It's a world where tradition meets innovation, and where artistry and science come together to create something truly extraordinary. Whether you're new to the industry or are already making your way up the ranks, understanding the diamond pipeline will give you a deeper appreciation for the gems you're working with. Remember, the next time you're holding a diamond, you're holding a piece of history that has traveled through a long and fascinating journey. That's all for today's episode of The Diamond Trade. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the inner workings of the diamond industry as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and leave a review if you found this episode valuable. Until next time, stay sparkly.